Hello, friends. It's time. So, our lesson today is light in a dark world. In Philippians 2:14, Paul urges the Philippians to do all things without complaining and disputing. The challenges to church unity are so serious that it cannot be maintained without significant effort on our part. Unity within the church is a byproduct of our union with Christ and obedience to his word, and it is vital to our witness, as Paul proceeds to point out, calling us to shine as lights in the world, Philippians 2:15. On a moonless night, away from the glare of the cities and street lights, more stars are visible, and they seem to shine much more brightly. It's the contrast that makes the difference. The blacker the sky, the more clearly the stars stand out. It's the same with our witness. The greater the moral darkness around us, the starker the contrast between the lives of God's true followers and that of worldlings. How important it is then not to let artificial lights of worldly ideas, pressures, and practices cause our witness to fade into the background or to disappear entirely. All right. Let us read Philippians 2:15 and 16. How does Paul describe what we as children of God are to be and to do? So let's pull it up. Philippians 2:15 and 16, and I'll read here. That ye may be blameless and harmless, the sons of God, without rebuke, in the midst of a crooked and perverse nation, among whom you shine as lights in the world, holding forth the word of life, that I may rejoice in the day of Christ, that I may not run in vain, neither labored in vain. All right. Here we go. Blameless means faultless, without reproach. It is used especially of Job and his blameless character. See Job 1:1 and 8, Job 2:3, Job 11:4, and Job 33:9. The Greek word translated harmless literally means unmixed, pure. Jesus, in view of the vicious attacks that his witnesses are likely to face, encourages us to be harmless as doves, Matthew 10:16. Paul similarly urges us to be simple concerning evil, Romans 16:19. Our modern media channels are not known for pure, uplifting, and inspiring content. In times like these, David's practice is a great rule for us today. I will set no wicked thing before mine eyes, Psalms 101:3. We should never fear being different. Our faith should increasingly set us apart. The goal is to shine as lights in the world, Philippians 2:15. The only way to do that is to reject conformity to this world, Romans 12:2. By holding fast to the word of life, Philippians 2:16. Our choices determine whether we have lived with the day of Christ in view or have run in vain, Philippians 2:16. Compare to 1 Corinthians 9:24-27. Final thoughts. If there are areas of your life that you would consider worldly, and there probably are, how can you be cleansed from them? Let's read that again. If there are areas of your life that you would consider worldly, and there probably are, how can you be cleansed of them? Until next time, God bless.